What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the beautiful Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I have a screen protector here for my device, and it is from SmartDevil. I wanted to thank SmartDevil for sending this out to me to install. I'm going to show you how to install. They have a couple screen protectors, but this is the quick installation shatterproof screen protector. Now, this is dust-free. It's a fast installation. It has instant fingerprint unlock. High definition. Now this is a shatterproof joint, so you'll be able to not crack your screen or anything like that. It's drop resistant, and it's got great touch response on it. And we're gonna go ahead and open up the box and show you how it's done. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to shut off our device so that we can get into the installation process. And it comes with 3. Now there's already 1 inside the guide here, so you won't have to do anything as far as putting the first one. So what we're gonna do is we're going to clean this up, and then we're gonna drop it in, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. It should be really easy. They have these installation kit that comes with a microfiber cloth. It comes with a wipe so you can wipe it down, also a dust remover sticker, and that'll make everything super easy. All right, so what you want to do is you want to grab your guide here, and make sure you clean your screen before you do the installation. Turn off your device, and then you're simply just gonna cover your phone, press the tool, and then pull the tab. So we're gonna simply just, and it has a little marker at the top so that you can know that you have it on the top. Let me make sure this is in properly. That's the top, and it snaps in, so make sure you snap it in. That way you make sure it is nice and flush on the back. And then we're simply going to pull on our tab here. All the way, like that. Just let it sit there for about 5 seconds. SmartDevil, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're simply going to pull off the top here. Like so. And I believe you're good to go. There you go. Perfect installation. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on. Test the fingerprint reader. That install is just perfect. Look at that. Now the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with that anti-reflective coating. This is not an anti-reflective screen protector per se, just so you know, but it will protect your device. All right, so we're gonna try the fingerprint. My fingerprint works. You can re-register it if you want, but mine was not necessary to re-register. And as you can see, it is a clean install. Perfect. This is probably one of the easiest screen protectors I've ever done. This pull system is really good from SmartDevil, and like I said, it's shatterproof. It is very protective. The fingerprint works really well. So you're good to go. I highly recommend this, and I want to thank them for sending this out. Drop down in the description if you want to pick them up. They also have a smart pull box that has a system where you kind of flip it over, put your hand on it, and pull out the pulley. But this one is just as good, just as easy, works just as well. So that is from SmartDevil. Make sure you guys check them out. Yeah, and the fingerprint works really, really good.